I'm the guy next door. If I can cook, so can you. Today, let's make okra belacan rice with dried fish. First, make sure that the water is boiled, then cook the okra. Be careful not to overcook or it will turn slimy. I'm using medium heat for around 3 minutes. First thing, the head goes off. Then we cut off the tails. Slice them all diagonally, then put aside. Back to the stove, dried fish into the hot oil. Dried fish is an accompaniment to a Southeast Asian meal, usually salty. Use any type, just be adventurous. Fry until golden brown and then remove from hot oil. Belacan is a dried paste made of shrimps. Cut a piece the size of your pinky and put it on hot pan. The reason why we do this is because the shrimp paste has to be burnt a little bit. Pulverize it till it's fragrant. Put some cooking oil. Garlic. Onions. Carrot. Stir fry a little bit. Add in chili flakes. Stir fry them with belacan. Next, the rice. Why? Because we are making belacan rice. I usually pre-cook the rice and chill it in the fridge overnight before I use it for frying. Add in some water. Now stir them all evenly. Now stir in the sliced okra. Oh yeah, if you enjoy watching this, please like and share my video. Look, we are done. Lastly, dried fish as topping. And then of course, enjoy it while it's hot. The crunchiness of the salted fish and the okra together with the rice really melts in your mouth. It's good. This is one recipe that you can actually do at home. It's very fast, very simple. This is one of my many recipes with special ingredients such as dried fish. If you like it, please comment below and please subscribe to my channel. See you soon!